Now, you may recall a week or so ago, I put together a little video saying how a toilet works. And I said they basically don't work when that flapper starts to degrade or get warped, and the toilet starts to make that running noise that we hate. And then today, I happen to be in a coffee shop, and I see this toilet with a handle on the side. Now, this is a weird position for a handle, so I was really curious about it. So I popped the puppy open, because I'm that kind of guy to go ahead and take apart someone else's toilet in a coffee shop. And look at this thing. There is a bucket inside. This is what you call a flapperless toilet. This one's made by Glacier Bay. You can get it at Home Depot for around $200. I have no idea how well it works, but this is how it works. You can see that it just dumps the water out of the bucket, and then this gives you two advantages. One is you don't have to deal with these flapper problems, but the other thing is there's no water actually sitting in that tank. It sits in the bucket itself. So you're not going to get the sweaty toilet tank that you get when you have the cold water on a humid day and you start getting that water dripping off the toilet. Now again, I have no idea how well this thing works, but I thought it was interesting enough that I should share it.